Hello everyone, how are you? I want to explain molecular compounds, binary molecular compounds. Good. Binary molecular compounds consist of binary means two different elements. Both of them are non-metals. Okay. Then one of them will be positive and the other one will be negative. For example, we have CO2. CO2 is positively charged, so the oxidation number is positive. Oxygen is negatively charged. So both of them are non-metal. This one non-metal, also this one also non-metal. But first one, why this one is positive, why this one is negative? This is more electronegative element. More electronegative element. What about this one? Less electronegative element. Okay, less electronegative element. Okay, what is the electronegativity? You know guys, in the periodic table you have what? Group 1, group 2, and you have D block and you have P block. Here you have what? You have carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Under nitrogen you have phosphorus. Under oxygen you have sulfur. So nitrogen, if it's negative, it's -3. Oxygen, it is -2. They are -1. But when they are together, for example, nitrogen and oxygen together make a compound, so NO. So N is less electronegative element. Why? Electronegativity increases left to right, okay, increases, and up to down, down to up increases also, until you say what? Until you say most electronegative is fluorine. Fluorine is most electronegative element. So fluorine reacts with any element will become negative. As I said before, for example, you have NO. NO, nitrogen is less electronegative according to the periodic table, because it's located in the right of the in the left of the oxygen, so it is less electronegative element. That's why it is positive. But oxygen is what? Is more electronegative, more negative. Okay, more negative, so you say it is negative. So oxygen, if it is -1, if it's negative, it will become -2. So in order to be balanced, this compound, this one must be 2. So let's talk about name. First element is nitrogen. In the binary molecular compound, for second element you will use prefix monoxide. So you will use these prefixes, okay? Mono, di, tri, tetra, okay, and so on, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. Okay, but if its first element is 1, you don't use mono, only for first element. Okay, look at this example. CO2, you say what? Carbon dioxide. Okay, look at this example. P4O10. Okay, P4O10, here's tetra, right? Tetra, phosphorus. You say it is name. Really, you use original name. Okay, phosphorus. And for second element, you say decoxide. Why IDE? Because it is -2. Why it's used original name? Because it's plus. Oh, 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 20 minus 20. So 4 multiplied by plus 5, in order to be equal to 20, it must be plus 5. So it will be 20 now is equal to 0. Now phosphorus is plus 5. Maybe in the exam you will be asked, like, what is the charge of this one? You will find as I have done before. So maybe you will be asked, what is the name? So you say phosphorus decoxide. Okay, if you see such kind of question, OF2, so you say fluorine is always minus, so -1. So you will say 2 multiplied by -2, okay, is equal to -2. That's why oxygen here must be equal to +2 to be 0. Now, what is the name of this compound? You say oxygen. Why? Because it's in the positive position here. Difluoride. Okay, good. So look at this example, guys. Look at this example. ICl3. This is I, okay? You say iodide trichloride. So you have to find the name. So let's find the charge of iodine. It is -1, right? So 3 multiplied by -3, -1 is equal to -3. To be 0, this one must be +3. That's okay. I hope you get benefit from this quick review. Thank you.